Welcome to online classes. Today we'll go for already we discussed the Boolean algebra. With respect to already we have completed the different types of operator, that is AND operator, OR operator, and as well as a NOT operator. And also we have seen that a truth table of AND, OR, and as well as a NOT table. And today we will go for evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Here we need to evaluate how exactly the Boolean expression is going to how can we able to solve the Boolean expressions using a truth table. You should concentrate on that. In examination the math directly evaluate the Boolean expression using the truth table as given in the below. So you need to solve the problem using the truth table. Using the truth table in the sense we need to use AND, OR, and as well as NOT. So by taking these three truth tables, we are going to solve the Boolean expressions. Before going to solve the Boolean expressions, let us go for basic things. So what is the basic things in the sense? Suppose we have an expression called as x plus y, y dot z complement plus z complement. So this is the expression, that is Boolean expression we need to say here, x plus y dot z complement plus z complement. This is the expressions where exactly we need to evaluate here. So here these kinds of expressions can be written as y z complement. Clear? And if supposing that example, if we have the expression called as x dot y dot z, it should be written as x y z. So these are some of the basic things we need to know before we are going to solve these kinds of Boolean expressions over here. So let us start with these things only. So here how many? Here he is saying that a truth table. Truth table in the sense, first find out in the Boolean expressions how many variables we have here. How many variables we are using here? X, y, and as well as a z. So total variables are 3 here. So that is nothing but 2 to the power of 3. So that is equal to 8. So 8 in the sense we need to take here 8 variables. That can be written as in the truth table is x, y, and as well as z. So totally 8 we need to use, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And here is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1. This is the two basic binary variables that can be taken in terms of these expressions. And later we are going to evaluate the things over here. And before, so you need to find out that how many zeros and how many ones we should take here. It depends upon entirely variables are present in the expressions. In this expression, total variables are present is x, y, and as well as a z. So 3 variables are present. So that can be written as 2 to the power of 3, total 8 binary digits, that is 4 zeros and as well as a 4 ones should be taken here. Let us start with one example how to solve this binary here. So let us take one example. So example here x, y, and as well as z. X, y, and as well as z if you take like this. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 4 zeros, 4 ones. Total it is 3 variables with 8 binary values. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So let us start with an example. So take an example, that is if we are using as a y dot z. Y dot z. So how to calculate this y dot z here? So y dot z in the sense it is a Y dot is nothing but dot indicates that is multiplication, that is AND operator. So AND operator is nothing but what exactly the AND operator is saying here? So AND operator is saying that so x y 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 zeros 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. So this is the truth table of your AND gate. So whenever we are going to perform the, so where z is equal to f is equal to x dot z, that is nothing but y dot z we are using here. So y dot z in the sense y variable with z variable should be multiplied here. So 0 into 0 it is 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. This is the way of going to calculate using the truth table we are using here. So using the truth table in the sense you should follow the AND truth table. According to AND truth table you are going to solve this output over here. Next, supposing that we are using as a y dot, that is y dot complement. So y dot complement in the sense what is the complement here? Complement is nothing but not. Wherever we have a 0 that should return as a 1. Wherever we have a 1 that should return as a 0. So that is nothing but, sometimes we also say it is a negation we need to say here. So y dot in the sense here is the we have here. So whenever we have a 0 that should return as a 1. 0 that is 1, 0 that is 1, 1 into that is 0, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, that is 1 into 0. That is irreciprocal of the y dot z value should be converted into the y dot z complement, that is wherever we have a 0 place it as a 1, wherever we have 1 that should be placed as a 0. That is the main theme of the y dot z complement. And let us go for next one, that is x dot z complement. X dot z complement. So here is x dot z complement. So x plus y dot z. So already we have calculated this value, that is y dot z here. So we know the value of this one. So whole term of this value plus this value, plus in the sense R operation. R operation in the means, so R operation means 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 it is 1. So addition operation should be done over here, that is x is here, x 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 that is 1. So this is the way of calculating the Boolean expression using the truth table. Here we need to say here. This is your way of calculating the truth table. Let us go for final equation. We have taken the equation called as x plus, let it be. But you need to go for a basic things. Later we will go for a main expressions over here. So I hope you understand that. Here we are using as a y dot z complement x plus y dot z complement here. Y dot z complement in the sense whole term has been taken from this value. That should be added with the x over here. Pause now. Okay then, now we'll go for how to evaluate Boolean expressions. So Boolean expressions can be evaluated using the precedency rule. Precedency rule in the sense, first which expression is not, second one is and, third one is or. This is the way of precedency. Precedency means first we should go for calculating the first precedency should be given for a not, second precedency should be given for a and third precedency should be given as a or operator. This is called as a precedency value. Supposing that, sir, if we have a parenthesis like this, what we need to do? First we need to go for a not and or like this. Supposing that you have expression called a x plus y plus z plus x like this. Which expression should be calculated? Either this we should go for a this one or a this one. So of course you should not go for this one. Of course you should go for a this one. That is, first you should remove the parenthesis and then we'll go for a evaluating the whole term. That is the main theme of the precedence rule we need to say here. Let us go for the one by one expressions. How? By taking the Boolean expressions, we are going to evaluate the according to precedency rule. Precedency rules in the sense, priority rule in the sense we need to say here. Let us go for an example. Example we have here. X plus y equal to x dot y in zeros and as well as 1. So it means that he is saying that in the Boolean algebra, verify the equation using the truth table. He is going to mention that try to solve this equation using the truth table. Using the truth table. It means that you need to solve this using only the truth table, not any other format. Clear? You need to use in the truth table in the sense you should go for not and as well as a R table. Let us go for solving this one. So as per this truth table, before going to solve the truth table, first find out that how many variables are there in the given equation. How many variables? We have a, check out this, x, y, x, y. So it means that only the two variables we have here. Only the two variables. That is nothing but 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. So that is 4 in the sense you should write as x, y, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the way to generate a table with respect to your expression. So we have two variables. So according to two variables, we have generated the basic needs of the binary values. So x, y we are taking as this value. So as per the x, y complement equal to x complement into y complement. So first find out this x complement and then go for y complement and then go for x dot y complement, x dot y complement, x dot y complement, and later we have here x plus y and x plus y complement. This is the way of writing the equations in the truth table, and don't get confusion that sir how should we write these expressions. But here is only we have two expressions we have here, but you have written as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Where we are getting these all this in sense. You think that if you want to find out the x complement, first you should know the x value. So we are taking as a x complement and y complement. Here we are having a both equation is x complement into y complement. It means that if you want to calculate this equation, we need to know the value of x complement and as well as a y complement. So we are taking as a x complement, y complement. So after getting this, we can able to calculate that x complement dot y complement, that should be evaluated here. Next, here is the expression. Here, if you want x plus y complement, first you need to find out the x plus y. So we are taking as x plus y, and then we can able to find easily x plus y complement. So let us go for this x, y. So x complement, the complement in the sense that is wherever we have a 0, that should be written as a 1, 1 should be written as a 0. So x complement 1, 1, 0, 0. Y complement in the sense 1, 0, 1, 0. And x complement dot y complement. Dot indicates that, dot means multiplication. Multiplication in the sense x complement dot y complement in the sense x complement into y complement 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0. And next x plus y. So x plus y in the sense x y, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. X plus y complement. So wherever we have a 0, that should be placed as a 1, and remaining all cases it is a 1 0 0 0. So according to this equation, we have proved that the equation called as x plus y whole complement is equal to x complement dot y complement. The value of this both should be the same in the truth table. Truth table in the sense you can observe here, in this truth table we are using as 1 0 0 0, that is 1 0 0 0. So both are having the same value, hence the equation has been proved over here. Next we will go for next one. Take an example, you can go for this one. Take the assignment, you can do yourself, that is x complement dot y complement plus x y. First assignment, second one, x y z complement plus x y y z complement, and third one, x y z complement plus x y complement. Pause one. 3 out of this we will go for 1 1, that is heavy one we have here. I will go for out of these things, I will go for second one because it is very difficult to calculate over here. X y z complement plus x complement y complement z complement. So let us go for finding the first variable. How can we write the variables in the table? So x y z, how many variables we have here? So 3 variables. So 3 variables in the sense, take it as x y z. So 3 variables in the sense 2 to the power of 3, it is 8. 8 in the sense 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is the way of writing the table first. X y z complement plus x y x complement y complement z complement. Clear? Okay, now start solving the equation. X y z complement. So already we have the x value, y value, z value. So let us go for this one. X y z complement. First find out the value, whether we have the value of x and y. X, of course we have x value of x and as well as the y. What about the z? We don't have the z value. That is z complement value we don't have here. So first find out the z complement. So z complement here. Z complement we need. Next come back with this one equation. Here we don't have a, check out this, we have x complement value. We don't have x complement value. So find out the x complement value. Next we have a y complement. We don't have y, we have only the y, but we need to calculate the y complement. And check out the z complement. Z we have here, of course we have the z value, so no need to go for a z separately here. Next x y z complement. X y z complement in the sense we don't have that equation, so we need to go for x y z complement. X complement y complement z, and lastly whole equation plus this whole equation, that is x y z complement plus x complement y complement z. This is the way of writing the expressions in the table. So let us go for solving the terms over here. We know that if you want to solve this table, we need to know what? AND operator, OR operator, and as well as NOT operator. These three tables should be important. So let us go for z complement. Z complement in the sense, make it as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And complement in the sense 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Y complement 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Reciprocal of the variable. Y dot x, y, z complement. X, y, z complement in the sense so x, y, z, x, y, x, y, z. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. So this expression can be treated as x dot y dot z like this. So you need to go for a multiplication. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 is 1 is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. Next, x complement y complement z. X complement y complement z. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. That is 0 into 0. 0 into 1 is, that is 0. And the last equation, that is addition of these two terms, that is plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0 it is 1, 0 plus it is 0. So this is the way of solving the Boolean expression using the truth table. So you should be understand that AND operator, OR operator, and as well as a NOT operator.